Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Dodge. Listen, guys, I've got another unboxing. Eventually, I will do a review. We got Schrade schf36. I've always wanted this. I had the 52, but they're calling this the schf36 Frontier. This is just a quick unboxing. This is not a review. I will do a review later. So let's get into it. Alright, we gotta undo the plastic here. Alright. Let's get into it, guys. Again, Amazon was having a sale. Oh, this is nice, guys. It's got some heft to it. Oh, let's put on the benchtop light here. Better lighting. There we go. Alright. I believe this is a leg strap, guys. They're calling this the Frontier. This is for like camping, bushcraft, survival. So let's get into it. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, this has got some weight to it. Definitely got some weight to it. It's got that same thing, that thermal plastic. I like, I'm trying to think, I think it was my 52. It's, got the Markita handle. I like that one. First impressions. I don't know if that's oil or scratches. Oh, it looks like it's all scratched up. It might be oil, but I think it's definitely sharp. Definitely got some weight. I believe it's 12.4 ounces. I know it's a 10.5 full tang, 5-inch. Yeah, that must be oil because I got it all in the front too. It's got that powder coat that they put on it. I do know this one though. This has got the it's not stainless. It's it's not stainless steel. It's carbon fiber hard steel, which is nice. Ooh, it's got that nice finger choil, guys. I like that. I got big hands, so I can grip that pretty good. But the finish on it, like I've had my other Schrade knives, it's like a dull, like a matte powder coat. It's not shiny, if you can see that. Definitely got some heft to it. I mean, you can definitely, I mean, it's thick. Look at that. I don't know if that's, look at that. You guys, does that tip look damaged to you? Bent? I can't really tell. I don't know. We're going to have to try it out. Definitely. I'll do a review. But this is for bushcraft, camping. Let's get some nice. My last one I had like from the factory, like chunks and teeth missing. Oh, look, there's a scratch there. Right here. Come on, Schrade. What's going on? I usually like you guys. Got some texture gripping down here. But I do like how I can get a full hand on that lanyard hole. Yeah, it's definitely like a matte finish. It's not that shiny. Let's check out the sheath. I think it comes with... So, this is like that. Probably like nylon. Oh yeah, you can definitely flip this onto like a backpack or survival bag. It's got the... See if I can get in here, focus. That... Let's see. Definitely a plastic for when you're putting it back. Get some rattle. I mean, it's got some rattle. I wouldn't say it's definitely not going to fall out. It's got some retention, not too much. I think that's why they got the snap here. If I can get the damn thing. Jesus. Did I get it backwards? Oh my god, guys, I feel stupid. Had it backwards. Yeah, okay. That's a lot better. But yeah, I mean, with the strap, it's not going to fall. I do like how it does come with the leg strap. So this one you can wear, I mean, I don't know how solid that would be, but, you know, it's for a belt loop. So you wear on your right or left. It's non-adjustable, though. Let's check what we got here. Oh, it does come with a ferro rod. Okay. Comes with a ferro rod. See if it works. Okay. Not bad, not bad. What else we got in here? I like goodies, guys. I like the little incentives. Oh, shopping stone. Okay. Got a little heft to it. Look at that. Give you an idea how big it is. So it's pretty good size. It's a 5-inch blade. Not bad. I guess if you're out in a pinch, you're camping, or whatever you're doing, you need to sharpen up your knife. I mean, it's good that it came with that. I do like that. Like I said, I like little incentives. I do like that a lot. I do like the rod. You know, if you're in a pinch, you just don't know when you're gonna need it. You know what I mean? I mean, I know a lot of guys have channels and they're all tactical, and that's great. And you know, they do all the bushcraft. I personally go camping. I go in the woods. You know, I go prepared. I don't. I wouldn't say it's survival mode. I do go up to the mountains because we're blessed with the mountains up this way, up in the northeast. But guys, if you own one of these, let me know. I bought it. It was on sale. You guys can pick this up on Amazon for 32 bucks. But guys, listen. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Stay tuned because I'm going to do an actual review. We're going to put this to the test. And we'll see what she's got. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it, guys. Till then, I'm out.